Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to solve this simultaneous equation using elimination method. Right, we want to use elimination method. Now, solution. In elimination method, we tend to eliminate one of the variables. Right, so it depends on the equation we have. We can eliminate x or eliminate y by adding or subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, so as it is now, for us to eliminate y, because y here and y in the second equation are having the same coefficients, all right, so once the coefficients of one of the variables are equal, then we can eliminate that variable. Since the coefficient of y in both equations is 1, we can eliminate y. All right, so we eliminate y by subtraction because plus y minus plus y will give 0. And that means that it has been eliminated. All right, so let's see what we have. 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1, and that gives us minus x. And then y minus y will give us 0. That has been eliminated. We have 8 minus 4 will give us 4. And from here, it means our x equals to minus 4. So the value of x is minus 4. All right, so find y, we can use any of the two equations. Okay, let's use equation 1. Use equation 1 to find y. All right, so what is equation 1? Equation 1 is 2x plus y equals to 8. This is equation 1. All right, we're going to substitute for x. It means anywhere we see x in the equation, we are going to write minus 4, because that is what x is. So 2 minus 4 plus y equals to 8. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8 plus y equals to 8. Then we collect like terms. This is a constant, another constant. So y equals to 8 plus 8. All right, so 8 plus 8 gives 16. All right, so it means y equals to 16. All right, so now let's see if our answers are actually correct. X equals to minus 4, y equals to 16. Now let's write out our equations. All right, so equation 1 says 2x plus y equals to 8. And equation 2 says 3x plus y equals to 4. All right, so anywhere we see x, we write minus 4. And anywhere we see y, we write 16. Now let's start with this. What is x? Minus 4 plus 16. Let's see if it will be equals to 8. This is minus 8 plus 16 equals to 8. And minus 8 plus 16 will give us 8. 8 equals to 8. That means this is valid. Now let's check for the other one. Our x is minus 4 plus our y is 16 equals to 4. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12 plus 16 equals to 4. Minus 12 plus 16 is 4. 4 equals to 4. All right, so this is also valid. It means our answer x equals to minus 4 and y equals to 16 is correct. Now let's try this. We have this equation. Let's try this. We have x plus y equals to 4. This is our equation 1. And we have x minus y equals to minus 8. This is our equation 2. Now let's solve this simultaneously using elimination method. All right, and we should drop our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe. See you next time.